Heading section revision intervals. When a template section is created, a review interval can be set to let the template editor know when to check or update the section. To add a new review interval, click the Revision submenu under the Administration main menu. Click the Add button, enter in review time, number of days, set the review as default or not, then click Save. If the interval data set is default, all new sections created in a template will be assigned the review interval. To set the review interval, open a template document, click the section settings, then section properties, select an interval time and save. If working in the section library, review intervals can also be set or changed in the section properties. Any section past the review date will be highlighted red. Click the Mark as Reviewed button, and the section will change back to black. The section can also be marked as reviewed from the section properties in the template document. If the section is under construction, it will need to be made available again after the review.